Long ago, in the forest, not too far from here, lived a clever rabbit, Awi. Every day, Awi hopped happily through the trees, always alert, always thinking. But nearby lurked Agụ Ọwụry, the wicked leopard, who had tried many times to trap Awi and failed. Awi was always one hop ahead, slipping through every trap with brain, power, and speed. Frustrated, Agụ Ọwụry finally growled, "I am tired of chasing you. Meet me by the big rock tomorrow. No tricks." Awi knew this was dangerous, but he had a plan. Early the next morning, Awi placed a large shiny mirror by the big rock and hid behind a bush. When Agụ Ọwụry arrived, he saw his reflection and roared, "Who are you? Onyekibu, another leopard? This forest is mine." He charged at the other leopard. Bam! He hit the mirror and fell backwards. And just like that, Agụ Ọwụry ran off shouting, "I'm never going near that rock again." Awi, the rabbit, laughed and said, "With a brain like mine, who needs big muscles?" Moral of the story: Akwanuche na amamihe nwere ike imeri ike. Wisdom and cleverness will defeat the fiercest strength. Like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.